you have been looking for a home that is practically new but already finished, fence up, hot tub in, nothing left for you to do, this is the one you want to walk. This is 2714 Eliana Lane in Copper Creek right here in Winterville, built in 2023 and barely lived in since. Look at the front. Gray lap siding, board and batten in the gables, a stone skirt across the base, and a covered porch deep enough that you will actually sit on it. 2-car garage and a driveway wide enough that nobody is blocking anybody in. The lot is what pictures never show. 4/10 of an acre opening up wide behind the house. Now Winterville. This is the sought after suburb around here, and that is no accident. Its own town, its own downtown, established streets, and pace changes the moment you turn in off the main road. You still have an easy commute into Greenville whenever you need it. Alpinder. Victoria and I are eXp Realty Icon agents, and we walk you through the whole move. Come on in. This is the foyer, and it runs 22 feet deep. You are not walking straight into somebody's living room. You get a real entry, hardwood underfoot, staircase off to the right. Main floor holds 3 of the 4 bedrooms. That is unusual out here. And it is why this floor plan works for so many different people. Here is the first one. Carpet, good window, closet, guest room, office, whatever you need it to be. And right off the hall, a full bath, not a half bath. So anybody staying on this side of the house has their own. This is the part Victoria and I love about the job. You walk a house like this and you can already see who it fits. The couple who needs a guest room, parents who visit for a month at a time, and that guest room gets used out here because this is the side of Winterville people are glad to drive out to. Established streets, wood already grown in, and an easy run back into Greenville whenever you want it. That is the pull of this town. People come out here for the suburb and the ease of it. They stay because the street stays quiet and everything they need is still a short drive away. Now, this room, look at that wall. That is a Murphy bed already installed with a fold-down desk built right in beside it. It is not something the seller is taking with them. About what this room does. Monday through Friday, it is your office. Then your sister comes into town, you fold the desk up, pull the bed down, and it is a guest room. Same square footage, 2 completely different jobs. There are 2 of these in the house. 1 here, 1 upstairs. This is what people mean when they say Winterville is the suburb everybody wants. It has its own identity. It did not get swallowed by Greenville. And once you spend a weekend out here, you understand why people are proud of that. Sellers ask us all the time, what actually helps a house move? Things like this. Ins that solve a real problem. Here it opens up. The great room, 18 by 20, running straight into the kitchen and the dining area with nothing in between. Look at the sightline. Be at that island and still be part of whatever is happening on the couch. Now the kitchen. Granite counters, a granite island with a seating overhang and pendant lights, shaker cabinets, white subway tile, up the backsplash, stainless appliances, and a pantry right there. That island is the piece people react to. Room to prep, room to sit, room for somebody to lean on the end of it and talk to you while you cook. Then the dining area with picture frame wainscoting, crown molding, and a chandelier over the table. Dressed up a little more than the rest of the floor on purpose, and you can host out here, which is one of the things we love about Winterville. Close enough that people will drive out for dinner, far enough that your street stays quiet. The light coming through here, windows across the back, and the door out to the yard, that is a big deal because everything back there is already finished. Vinyl privacy fence, fully enclosed, concrete patio, a hot tub on its own port pad. You are not building a fence next spring and you are not pouring concrete. Back inside, this is the whole main floor from the other direction. Kitchen, dining, great room, staircase, all connected. And here is the laundry room. 9 by 9, so it is a real room. Shelving and a drop zone right outside it that you will use every single day. This is why people pick Winterville. The quiet street, the easy pace, low maintenance living, an easy commute into Greenville whenever you want it. That is the trade most people are hunting for and cannot find. And Copper Creek backs up to woods and open farmland. And you get real sky at the edge of this neighborhood. 2-car garage, 20 by 20. So both vehicles fit and you still have room for a workbench. Opener is already in, and look up, pull down attic access right here. Little things are what you notice in month 2, not on the walkthrough. Storage is the thing buyers tell us they ran out of in their last house. And I will show you upstairs why this one does not have that problem. Now here is the one, the primary suite, and it is on the main floor. 18 by 13, crown molding, windows on 2 sides. Let me be straight with you about why this matters. Just ask us for a main floor primary constantly, and it is genuinely hard to find in a house this size because most homes this square footage put the primary upstairs with everybody else. This one gives you your own level. You are not climbing stairs at the end of a long day. Into the bath. Double vanity, 2 sinks, so nobody is waiting on anybody. Hexagon marble look tile. A garden tub and a separate walk-in shower with the glass surround. There is a private water closet too. So the bathroom still works when 2 people are getting ready at once. The closet, walk-in, almost 11 feet and fitted with shelving. Victoria and I love this part of the job. Watching somebody walk into a room like this and go quiet for a second. If you are on the other side of it, thinking about selling, this is exactly the kind of feature we built a whole campaign around. Upstairs, at the top, there is a full bath, and that is the 3rd full bath in the house. And here it is. The bonus area, 32 feet long, with its own full bath beside it. And the 2nd Murphy bed built into the wall with drawer towers on both sides. So this whole level can be a guest suite, or a media room, or a gym, or 2 of those at once because it is long enough to split. There is another bedroom up here too, plus a floored walk-in attic, not a crawl hatch. 13 by 13 with a door you walk through. So let us add it up. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 27 square feet, 2 Murphy beds already installed, a main floor primary, a fenced yard with a patio and a hot tub built in 2023. All of it in the suburb people around here actually want. If you want to see it, comment on this video and we will get you in. Victoria and I love this part, helping buyers find the house, helping sellers get theirs sold. I am Alpinder with Living in Greenville, brokered by eXp Realty.